So, sir, how are you feeling coming to the 49 celebration event of Babies Meet? How are you feeling, sir?
I feel privileged, I feel proud, I feel honored when you see happiness, joy of parenthood being celebrated. When you see that in your profession and your business, if you can help one parent to achieve the dream of parenthood, that itself makes me feel very happy. Today there were 100, so very happy to be here.
So, how is India, sir, for you? How is feeling today for you coming to India after so long? How are you feeling after seeing so many happy faces around you? And there are many happy faces, and they're being like overwhelmed with the tears in their eyes. And when they came near you, you could have sensed that presence that after so long they have been given birth to many children. So, how are you feeling after seeing many happy faces around in the 49?
So I have been in this IVF business for 31 years now. And there are many people who ask me that why never you, being management professional, I could have changed the industry. I said I feel blessed when being in infertility service, where you are contributing or impacting life of people. So I always feel that in IVF business, you make Mother Earth a little bit more happy every day. So I feel elated, happy, and very joyful.
So finally, there are many people in India still think that going for the IVF process is not that acceptable because people do judge them on that bias. So what would you say to the generation today seeing this video, sir?
So I would want to request, urge only one thing. Infertility is a WHO classified medical disease, like any other disease. Whether it is diabetes, hypertension, any cardiac disease, whatever you take it and accept it. Like I sometimes feel, why is infertility isolated? It should not be. So, like any other disease, infertility, I would request and urge to spread this word that it should be accepted as a medical disease and should be normalized. And the myth or the taboo associated with infertility has to go. It's not personal shortcoming of a woman, or not. It's not a personal shortcoming of a man. It's a WHO classified disease, so you need to accept it as a disease. Take treatment at right place, at right time, and at right age, because people waste a lot of time being infertile on not accepting it and taking treatment at right place, which actually makes their journey of parenthood even more difficult.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.